In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste properties in Figma. If you've ever styled one button or card exactly the way you want and wished you could instantly apply that same look to another object, this is for you. In Figma, properties include things like fills and strokes, effects such as shadows and blurs, typography settings, and layout options. Copying and pasting them saves time and keeps your design consistent. Let's start with the fastest method: copying and pasting all properties at once. First, click the object that already has the style you like. On Windows, press Ctrl+Alt+C to copy its properties. Then select the object you want to restyle and press Ctrl+Alt+V to paste. On a Mac, the equivalent is Option+Command+C to copy and Option+Command+V to paste. For example, pick a button that looks just right, copy its properties, select another button, and paste. The second object will instantly pick up the fills, strokes, effects, typography, and layout settings. Content like text labels or images won't be replaced. You're only transferring styling, which keeps things safe and predictable. Sometimes you only want one property, like just the color or just the shadow. In that case, copy a single property from the right sidebar. Select the styled object, click directly on the specific property you want to copy, such as fill, stroke, effect, or the text settings. Then press Ctrl+C. Next, select the target object and press Ctrl+V. Only that chosen property is transferred. This is perfect for matching a background color across multiple elements, reusing a drop shadow for consistent depth, or aligning text styles without touching other attributes. If you prefer menus over shortcuts, you can do the same with a right-click. Right-click the styled object and choose Copy Paste As, then Copy Properties. Select your target object, right-click again, and choose Paste Properties. It's a clear, click-driven alternative that does exactly what the shortcuts do. Here's a quick design tip. Copying properties is one of the simplest ways to standardize UI components like buttons, cards, and icons. It helps you maintain a cohesive visual language across your project with minimal effort. If a paste doesn't seem to change anything, double-check that you selected the correct object and property. Repeat the process across your interface to quickly bring everything into alignment. With these methods, you'll speed up your workflow and keep your designs clean, consistent, and professional.